Thanks for hitting that play button. Guys, I'm coming to you today with a review, a product review that is. Guys, I have the MaxxAir Deluxe. This is one of my behind the scene type of video. I'm gonna be installing this fan. I got the Deluxe because this Deluxe is the only RV fan that do not have a rain sensor because it's already ventilated. As you can see, the vent hose is on the bottom of it. This is the one that opens and closes, and it works off of sensors. Also a remote as well. So guys, I'm going to be installing this, and I'm going to be taking you through this video with me. So guys, you're probably wondering, didn't he just get the RV? So why is he already installing fans? So if you was to look here, guys, this RV came with the basic fan. Everything is done by hand. Closing and opening is done by hand. I would have to go to this wall just to turn on the fan. Look at that fan. That is the smallest fan on the market. That fan does nothing for this big unit. So what I'm going to be doing is switching out the bathroom fan as well as the kitchen fan. As you can see, I have already installed this kitchen fan. So what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to install this bathroom fan, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Ever since I had a MaxxAir in my last RV, I can't go without it because the air that it provides, and the comfort level that it provides inside the RV, you can't beat. So guys, that's why I chose to upgrade some of the things that I can now. This summer is almost over with, and at least I want to get a couple upgrades on this RV for next summer. I won't have as much. You already know, as far as our first upgrade was the MaxxAir independent suspension, as well as the MaxxAir tray. All this can be purchased off of e-trailer, or you can go to MaxxAir itself. But this fan comes from e-trailer. Big shout out to e-trailer, who has been one of our biggest sponsors. They always look out. They always looking for people that have projects, and they have the things for these projects. So let me get up here and install this fan. As you can see, I have already moved the old caulk and partially installed the new MaxxAir fan. So what I use to move this caulk is a paint scraper, and I'm gonna say it did a good job. But guys, I recommend it being a hot day when you do this because it makes the job so much easier. I'm going to clean up this mess, and I'm going to show you how this work area look when this mess is cleaned up. I got this work area all cleaned up. I removed the fan, and I'm back down to just the hole. So what I'm going to do is, guys, as you can see, I did a pretty good job scraping this caulk off, but I did not want to mess up this membrane. So when you're scraping off the caulk, you may want to be careful to not put holes in your membrane or anything like that. You do not want to compromise this membrane. So just think about this here, this unit. It comes with like a little frame. You can set the frame down in the hole and fit nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a bead of caulk around this frame, and I'm going to run some around this. In case you're wondering what kind of caulk I'm using, I got the lap sealant Dicor lap sealant self-leveling. You want self-leveling when you're on a roof. This was level out, so this is what I'm using. So let me get to work before it rains. I got the caulk down. This is going to be on the inside of this trim here. I did not want to put it inside the trim because I didn't want to get messy and spill some of this caulk on the roof, so I just put it on the inside of the old caulk. And I'm gonna put this on and press it down. Perfect. I can see caulk coming through the hose already. So this is gonna work out great. All right, guys, checking back in. As you can see, I did not remove all the caulk. I just went over each screw and removed the caulk over each screw. So let me show you how easy these screws are to take off. Even though it has caulk inside the screw, you gotta be the screw that. Check that out, how easy it is. There's still caulk on the inside of this screw. Look how easy they come up. See, and I'm doing this holding the camera. So I removed all the screws within 3 minutes. Within 3 minutes after taking the caulk off. So now I'm going to proceed with prying this vent out. As you can see, the second vent has been removed. And I have to say, this took me all of, I want to say, like 10 minutes at the most, just prying it out. Now I'm going to clean everything up. I'm going to be ready to caulk like I did the first one. This has been a fun experience. And plus, I like to tinker. It's give me something to do when we're back at home for a couple of days before we head back out on the road. Just give me a little project to do. So I am having fun out here by myself. All right, so guys, I got both MaxxAir Pros installed on the roof. Both of them working. I just have to go inside now and do the finishing touches. But there they are. I like them. Nice and fancy looking here on the roof. Look at that sunset. All right, guys, as you can see, that this one is installed, and the bathroom is now installed. Only thing that's left to do, guys, is put the cover on. And now it's complete. Alright guys, I am back to give my thoughts and review on the MaxxAir Pro fan. I must say, this fan is one of the best fans on the market. We had this fan open range. Well, we had the MaxxAir fan with the rain sensor. And what the rain sensor allows the fan to do is when it rains, it closes by itself. This fan don't need the rain sensor because you can use this fan when it rains. But anyway, let me tell you a little something about this fan. So guys, this is a digital fan. You had an on switch. You have in. I can reverse this fan. Put it on reverse and it'll blow in so it can act as a regular ceiling fan. Also, it has a switch here where, let me turn this off the other way because it's blowing cold air in. At the time that I'm recording this video, it is fall time. But anyway, it has another switch which you hold. It's the auto switch. You hold the switch, and what happened is, you notice the fan is closing. When it get hotter than 78 degrees, this fan will vent this RV. So that's what I really like about this fan. Like during the summer months, when it's hot outside, you got something that will vent your RV and keep your RV at a comfortable temperature when you get to your destination. This fan also came with a remote. So remote works nice. As you can see, if you can see that, it tells you that the vent is on. It tells you the speed of the fan. The fan is right now at 90%. I could turn the fan speed down, as you can see. If I want to do the reverse on this also and bring air into our RV, I can do that as well with this remote. So that's what I really like about this. Not only I can work it from here, I can work it from the remote. The last fan that we had, guys, it was a cheap fan. It didn't do much. It didn't move no air. With this fan here, what I like doing is opening the bathroom door on a hot summer day and allowing that to bring in air in the bathroom, being that we're not in the bathroom, and this taking out air, whereas the RV is being circulated. That's what I really like about it. So guys, you wonder, why is he bringing us a video in mid-winter about a fan? Because it's the holidays. I know that you guys like spending and going out and finding out about the newest gadgets. So if you're in the market for a nice fan, I mean something that will upgrade your RV, make your RV comfortable, I recommend the MaxxAir Fan Pro. MaxxAir Fan Pro. I'm pretty sure I shot some overhead videos where you guys can see how it looked from the top. If not, check up top. And with this window here as well, we get a nice circulation of air coming in this RV during the summer months. During the winter months, we use this fan to shine, because Shanti likes to cook in the kitchen. We use this fan to suck out all this food smells. So this fan has been a real asset to this camper. Guys, what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna start doing these little upgrade videos to show you little upgrades that we do to this unit, because we have been doing a lot of upgrades and we have been on it. Something that's coming up in the future. Another upgrade that we did, we got the Dometic 310 toilet. Nice toilet. It's brand new. I just installed it the other day. If you see this toilet, guys, it has the 360 spin on it with the hose, so this toilet will clean itself. I had a problem with my wife because she was staying the toilet up in a heartbeat, but I'm just messing with her. But anyway, this will keep a toilet clean, guys. It's 360 spin. We had a Thetford on here, so I want to tell you more about this toilet, or more about the upgrades that we have done. Right now we are at the storage, and I wanted to come to the storage because this is the place that I do all my upgrades, because I got this open field and I just come here and work. If you notice back this summer when I was installing this fan, I was sweating down. I was too hot to do the final review once I got done, so I was overheated. So now it's nice and cool. I can come in here and get some work done. So time to make my next review video. Thanks for watching. MaxxAir fan. Special shout out go to E-Trailer who sent this. E-Trailer always have the accessories that you want for your RV. I'm pretty sure they got the domestic toilet 360, the MaxxAir fan. We have got a lot from E-Trailer. That's one of our favorite places to shop. And with E-Trailer, you don't have to guess. You can call in and talk to someone about a purchase that you want to make, whatever you want to make, an upgrade that you want to do, and they can help you. They also have tutorial videos where it shows you how to install a lot of the products that you will buy from them. So guys, check them out, E-Trailer. Thank you, E-Trailer, for sponsoring this video. Thank you, E-Trailer, for sending out these MaxxAir fans. You knew what I wanted. I've been talking about it and you looked out, you sent the perfect ones out for me. Guys, and then on that note, Bandits out.